Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel. Today, well, we're going to be doing a few appearance mods to the truck. They're very inexpensive and it'll help set the truck apart just a little bit from any others that may be around town. So, let's get started. Alright guys, we are going to start off with the Ronin 50 cal bullet antenna. I love these things. I had one on my 2019 Silverado and I loved it. It worked great, and in my opinion it actually got better reception than the stock antenna. Then I have, these are very subtle but it'll still add a nice little touch. I have some American flag valve stem caps, and then I also have some American flag says F150 inserts for the tailgate, where F150 is embossed in it. So let's get started installing these. So I'm going to start by taking the stock antenna off. Right now for the antenna. Okay. And here, there's the antenna right there. I have a stud I have to put in the bottom. It comes with two different size studs, so you can pick the one that is going to fit your antenna. And I believe ours is going to be the bigger one. We'll start by screwing, you screw the red side into the antenna, and it has Loctite on the antenna, so I mean on the stud, so that you can you don't have to worry about somebody stealing the antenna. And there we go. So simple as that. You go from the stock antenna, which is one of the traditional long antennas, to a nice 50 cal bullet antenna. So very nice. So now I'm going to move back to the tailgate and put the F150 decal on that. Hopefully there's enough light left for you to see. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up like. And share this channel with your friends. We are at about 2,200 subscribers right now. So I'm very happy with that. I hope to see the channel grow and grow even more. So be sure and check the links down in the description below. We do have a Kevin's Auto Channel merch store now. Be sure and click on that and check that out. There are also a lot of affiliate Amazon links down below on products that I recommend that you might want for your car care or accessories or whatever. So be sure and check those links out down below. It helps the channel out and it helps us grow even more. So, thank you for watching this video. I'm Kevin Walters. You're watching Kevin's Auto Channel. And as always, I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you in the next one.